In this section, we're going to look at how to insert a video into your presentation. So I'm going to select the first slide here, and then I click on the Insert tab here, and over in the Media section, there's a video option. So I click on the down arrow here, and you've got two options. You can insert an online video or a video from my PC. So I'll click on where it says Video on my PC, and all I have to do is move to the folder or subdirectory containing the video, and in this case I've got a video here in MP4, so I'll just select it and click on Insert. Now the video completely fills the screen at the moment, completely fills the slide, so I need to make it smaller, so I'll just drag it down here a bit. So there's my video. If I click on the play button here, this is just one of my training videos, so I'll pause it there. Now once the video has been selected, you'll notice there's video tools up here, and there's two of them. There's the format and the playback options. So let's check out the format options first. You've got video styles here, so if I just sort of move this along, you can see the changes it's making. And of course, if I click on the down arrow here, I can have something like that or something like that. So I pick one of these that I like, maybe go for that one there. And if I play the video within that, in this section we're going to look, as you can see, it's got a slightly slanted sort of appearance. So that's how you apply video styles. If you want to, you can just click on where it says Reset Design. Then it goes back to the way it was. So if I now play it, it's just the regular shape. Something else that's kind of fun is video shape. If I click on the down arrow here, if we select something like, say, the heart shape there, and then play it, as you can see, it plays within the shape. Obviously you can have any shape you want, so you can have something like, let's have a look, maybe the triangle shape. Some are more appropriate than others for your video, but you kind of get the idea. And of course, if you don't like that, you can just reset the design by clicking on here, and it's back the way it was. Now at the moment, we've got no indication what this video is about. It's just a blank screen, because that's how the video starts, it's blank. So what I can do is I can run this video and pause it there, and what I can do is I can use this image as what's called a poster image. So if I click on the Format tab up here, then over here where it says Poster Frame, I can say Use Current Frame. And now if I deselect it, instead of a blank screen, it uses the frame that I froze it at prior to going up here, clicking on Format and selecting the poster frame. So that's how you get it to look more interesting. Always remember, if you want to adjust the way it looks or plays, you have to select it first, and then you've got the video tools, and as I say, you've got Format and Playback up here. So if we look at the other options in format, you've got things like color, so you can have different colors. So I just sort of mouse over here, you get an idea of the effect. I'm not really sure why you'd want to do this, but if you need a sort of a set color, we'll go for that one there. You can see it's been colorized in a sort of purple color. I personally don't like that, so I'm going to reset it. Similarly over here you've got corrections, so you can change the brightness and the contrast. You just mouse over and you get the effect. So if you need to change those, that's how you do it. If you want, you can adjust the border. So at the moment there's no sort of visible border, so if I click on where it says video border, I can go for something bright like, say, a purple color. And also, of course, I can change the weight by going down here. So if I want a really chunky border like that, that's how you do it. So we've now got a thick purple border. Now at the moment this is quite a long video, I'll just stop it there. I think this video is about 5-10 minutes long, something like that. So what I can do for once is I can trim the video. If I click on playback here, if I go to where it says trim video, then it tells me the length of the video here. It's actually 4 minutes long. If I want to trim it a bit, I can just sort of drag this along like so. So I can make it last for 22 seconds. There we go. So I say OK. And now if I play this video, you can see the timer down the bottom here. And it should only play for about 22 seconds. In this section, we're going to look at how to use templates in Microsoft Word. Now, normally when you start Word, it looks like this, and generally you click on where it says blank document. But if you want to, you've got these other options. So there you are, it cut off at 22 seconds or so. In a similar way, you could obviously trim something off the beginning, so you can have exactly what you want being displayed. Now, there are other options you can change. So if we click here, go to playback, you can have it looping if you want to, which would be somewhat annoying, I think. You can have it so it automatically rewinds after it's finished playing. You can also have it so it plays full screen if you want to. So let's say this video was basically providing extra information about the actual presentation that was running in. What you could do is you could say, right, let's play it full screen. So when you play this actually within the slideshow and click there, as you can see, it now plays full screen. I'll press escape to come out of that and press escape to go back. So that's quite a useful option sometimes. So that's how you display a video within your presentation. As you've seen, very easy to set up and very effective.